Today, gagawa tayo ng voiceover for Arman Salon.
Welcome to Arman Salon. Enjoy precision haircuts.
Siya yung nakikita natin sa TikTok recently at ginagawang meme. Ako rin personally, madalas kong nililip sync yung videos niya kasi nakakatawa talaga. At dahil love ko ang Arman Salon, yan, nakikita niyo, nandito tayo sa recording studio para gawan siya ng voiceover. At tutulungan tayo ni Mixlab Music Studios. Tara! So, ang na-imagine kong VO for Arman Salon is elegant, aesthetic, and sophisticated. Kaya yun yung nabuong script. Let's do it!
Welcome to Arman Salon, where luxury meets artistry. Let us pamper you and help you look and feel your best. At Arman Salon, our passion for timeless beauty creates an experience that goes beyond the chair. Enjoy precision haircuts, vibrant color treatments, and luxurious spa services designed to rejuvenate and enhance your natural elegance. Experience the exceptional. Book your appointment today and discover why Arman Salon is the choice for those who seek the finest. Arman Salon. Style that shines on and on. Welcome to Arman Salon. Enjoy precision haircuts, vibrant color treatments, and luxurious spa services. Experience the exceptional. Welcome to Arman Salon, where luxury meets artistry. Let us pamper you and help you look and feel your best. At Arman Salon, our passion for timeless beauty creates an experience that goes beyond the chair. Book your appointment today and discover why Arman Salon is the choice for those who seek the finest. Arman Salon, style that shines on and on.
Gawin ko na iba-ibang version, yung tagline.
Arman Salon, style that shines on and on. Arman Salon, style that shines on and on. Arman Salon, style that shines on and on.
Tapos na yung VO, so lalabas na ako doon para tulungan si Mixlab. Mamimili tayo ng best take at yun yung lalagyan nila ng background music. Tara!
Arman Salon, style
Kailangan may
that
pikit-pikit.
shines on and on.
Sige, tuloy lang.
Welcome to Arman Salon.
Mamimili kami ng best take. Tapos lalagyan na nila ng music.
Let us pamper you and help you
medyo
look and
paus
feel
ako
your
dyan.
best. Our passion for
Di ba off yung
timeless
salon?
beauty
Salon.
creates an experience
Salon.
that goes beyond the chair.
Ano ba yung pang-ano talaga?
Experience.
Very
exceptional.
artist.
Book your appointment today
Yeah,
and
very
discover why Arman Salon is the choice for those who seek the finest. Style that shines on.
Sige, yan, last take. Kunin natin yung last take. Tapos, sige, pili ako dyan sa mga last, yung tagline. Cut mo na yan. Pakinggan ko na yung mga susunod.
Delete ka na doon sa TikTok?
Arman Salon. Style
Ay,
that shines.
nasalita ka ng ano.
Ayan, ini-edit na yung VO ko. Tinatanggal yung ano, yung mismong VO. Lalagyan na ng music.
Welcome to Arman Salon, where luxury meets artistry. Let us pamper you and help you look and feel your best.
Tingnan yung miss ka, okay naman yung pattern natin.
Yes, yes. Gusto ko yung ano, nakuha niya yung sinabi ko. Ganun lang yung instructions ko. Gusto ko yung music may Pero pwede bang ano, hindi madalas yung may bum bum. More on, mas runs. Kaysa yung
Kasama
beat.
masahe din na.
As a classical pianist, galing ako mag-instruct. Nag-gets agad niya. So, ang galing ka mag-instruct.
Let us pamper you and help you look and
Huwag lang agad pasok yung let us pamper you. Masyadong dikit nga yung na-instruct ko. Usad ng konti. Ayan. Ayan, okay lang magkadikit yun. Pamper you. And, sunod agad siya. Let us pamper you. And help you look
let us pamper you and help you look
Yan.
Yung taba.
Ayan. Pwedeng after nung feel your best, saka papasok yung piano. Parang mas feel mo na, you feel best.
and help you
Pasok music.
And help you look and feel your best. Ganun ulit. Pero may music pa rin dito na ano, mag-fade in lang siya paano. Ang galing ni Mixlab team, nagigets agad nila yung sinasabi ko. Or baka super basic lang naman kasi ng instructions ko. Parang when you feel good, when you feel best, ano yung music na naisip mo?
and help you look and feel your best.
Yan. Pero after best, ipapasok.
Grabe.
Tapos pwedeng gawin yung ginagawa mo kanina na beat pag sinasabi na niya yung
At
services.
Arman Salon,
Haircuts, dun,
welcome to
spa
Arman Salon.
treatments. Magmamatch siya. May laway ba, Arman Salon? Tingin ganun ako. So after nung Beyond the Chair, sounds magical to. Beyond the Chair. At teka. Pwede ba lagyan mo ng ano? Parang something like... Dun, 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 taas. Try lang. Yan. Sige, try lang. Parang ringtone, no? Sige, try natin. Yan, sige, try mo nga.
Okay, Miss Kat, ito na yung nagawa natin. So, hopefully naman magustuhan din.
Okay. Arman Salon, I really like your content. Sana magustuhan mo rin yung ginawa kong video. Here we go. Pakinggan na natin.
Welcome to Arman Salon, where luxury meets artistry. Let us pamper you and help you look and feel your best. At Arman Salon, our passion for timeless beauty creates an experience that goes beyond a chair. Enjoy precision haircuts, vibrant hair treatments, and luxurious spa services designed to rejuvenate and enhance your natural elegance. Experience the exceptional. Book your appointment today and discover why Arman Salon is the choice for those who seek the finest. Arman Salon, style that shines on and on.
Yun. Yay! Thank you, Roddy. Thank you, MixLab. And that's it for my voiceover for Arman Salon. Thank you for watching. So if you need a voiceover for your next project, feel free to reach out to me via TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or email. Or pwede nyo ring i-click ang link na nakikita nyo dyan. Thank you! Stay well. Bye-bye! Woohoo!